Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello there, welcome aboard. This is Mahmoud from studyalquran.com, and I'm here today to show you how to use the system in the right way in order to get the best educational experience, inshallah Rabbil Alameen. In order to do that, we make series of short videos to show you the features of the system and how to use it in a simple way. As a new student, we already sent you this link. By clicking on it, you can open the login page right away, but let's assume we need to type it here on the Google search engine. LMS stands for Learning Management System .studyalquran.com, and then hit enter. Here we are now in the login page. Type here your email address and down here password. This is a test, we just make it for the sake of this video. Don't forget to take on this remember me so that you don't have to type all that again. Log in, and now you are in the dashboard. The navigation buttons in your left hand. As you can see, this is almost all you need on the dashboard. The most important thing is the classes today, and here you need to know that when the class, that this icon, it will be showing up only on the day of the class, and not just on the day, it will be only 10 minutes before the class. Right now the clock is 5 a.m. in the morning, and here we have the class showing up on the day and the right time. Again, this is not gonna show up unless it's the right time for the class. By clicking on this green icon, that will open a new tab. From this tab, it's supposed to open the application of Zoom app. We don't need it right now, so let's move on. You can click on this icon, the yellow one, to see the calendar. Make sure that you have chosen the right times and the day. The days are showing up there, and the times you can click on week to see if the class is in the right time. Let's get back to the dashboard. One of the important things are the reports and assignments. By clicking on it, you can see the history of your classes and the assignments that's submitted by the teacher. At the beginning of using this system, I'd like you to go up right here to this icon and click on profile, then click on edit my profile, and make sure that this name is the right name, and that's the one you want to use. This email is the one you use to log into the system, so you don't want to change it. The password, you can change it if you like. Make sure the time zone is right as your place, so the calendar would be right as well. And the contact email is that email that we use to send you notifications about the class when it starts, and the assignment report when your teacher submitted, and also about the payment and the invoices when it's issued. That will be all for today. Thanks for your patience. Assalamu alaikum.